This is the Ford Performance ProCal High Performance Programmer, and I will put a link to it down in the bottom, but there's the part number. And this is from Ford, as you can see, and it's supposed to add the extra horsepower and torque. How excited am I? So, loving the Bronco Raptor. It defines the cool, mean, I can run over anything, zombie apocalypse kind of application for a 4x4 SUV. It's like 414 horsepower, something like that, and a 3-liter turbo engine. And I will say that it's not as Raptor-y as I thought it was going to be. But Ford, about 3 weeks ago, announced a new software flash that's from the manufacturer, that's covered under manufacturer's warranty and installed by the dealer, that will add about 50 horsepower and 100 or so to the torque for about, I think the kit was $629, something like that. Plus, there's going to be a couple $100 to install it, I'm sure. But where else can you get that type of extra horsepower and performance for $700? All right, let's do this real quick. I wanted to get a baseline. Okay. Admittedly, okay, it's still pretty cool. I don't know if I've done a lot of 0 to 60 stuff in this. I tend to just drive it around. It does have quite a bit of pick-me-up, a lot more than a regular SUV. And you compare that performance to some of the other ones with 3-liter engines, and yeah, I guess it's okay. But has anyone ever said, darn it, I have too much horsepower, I wish I had less horsepower? Well, you're not going to hear me say it. So we're headed down to see my buddy Nick St. Clair at the Ford of Franklin dealership, and they're going to install this software flash that I just got in the mail the other day, and we're going to see what kind of difference it makes. Let's find out. Hey guys, I'm James with the Full Octane Garage. Hey, quick update. We've had this 2024 Bronco Raptor for about 2 months now, and love this truck. We loved the Hummer EV. That was a lot of fun. This is a lot of fun in some similar ways, and in others, it's just kind of a good old American, mean, muscly, 37-inch tire, monster trucky kind of feel to it. If the zombies come, I'm ready. But what could make this truck even better? Well, how about we add some more horsepower? Because that's what everybody wants to do anyways, right? There's a lot of accessories and all available for Broncos right now. But jumping into the performance ones, very few options from Ford Motor Company until about a month ago, when they announced that there was going to be a horsepower upgrade or performance upgrade that was going to be strictly software only, so you could flash the car and immediately get a substantial upgrade to your performance. And so we looked around, and we weren't able to find that anywhere that was going to be available anytime in the next couple months, until we found Levitown Ford Performance Parts, and they had one available within a couple weeks, and they sent it to us. And so we had it installed at the dealer about a week ago, and I wanted to drive it a little bit before I gave you my 2 cents about what I thought about it. Generally, the part costs $629. You add tax and freight, and it was right around $700. And then installation, it needs to be installed by a Ford dealer so that you don't affect your warranty on your truck. So I had that done, and generally online, it appears that the Ford dealers anticipated that was going to take 2 hours worth of labor, which is about another $300 or so. My Ford dealer charged me $700 for 3.5 hours labor, and I think I paid for a little bit of learning curve, because generally the dealerships don't know anything about this. I think this was the first one that was done in Middle Tennessee, was my truck at my dealer, and it took them a little while to work through how the whole thing came together, but the end result is fantastic. And they did, after I talked to them about the invoice and all, they did take a couple $100 off of it, but I think you can anticipate that it should be around $300 to get this work done. So what do I think? Substantial improvement. This thing is hilarious. It was already a super cool truck, 417 horsepower, and I don't know what the torque was, 430 or 440 or something like, because it comes out to 510, so maybe the torque was about 410 or so. Already pulled a bunch, and it's kind of a raspy growl and everything. The upgrade in normal mode really doesn't make any difference. If you're driving the truck in normal drive mode, you don't feel a lot of difference, but I did see a couple of miles a gallon difference from what I can tell, subjectively speaking, in the gas mileage. So I think that I've gotten quite a big improvement as far as that goes there. But where the fun part starts is when you switch this thing over into sport. That's where it really becomes alive. It definitively pulls more. This truck, it's a whole different truck. It really made this thing it really changed the whole dynamics of it. It has a very linear power curve, and whatever they did must have remapped the gears also, because it stays, well, here we go. It stays in gear, I would suspect, another 1,000 RPM farther than it used to. And again, this is strictly my observations, and I think there's a certain amount of adjustability in the tune that the dealer can do also to kind of fine tune it to what you're looking for. But mine's supposed to be generally whatever that factory spec was supposed to be. Yeah, but when you're driving in sport, this thing really pulls. It stays in gear a long time, and really makes this a much more exciting truck to drive. I will say that it stays in gear so much that after a while, if you drive 200 miles like I do, you're ready to get back to a regular driving mode. I had to take just a brief moment because I just got blown away by a Series 1 Jaguar convertible E-Type that's doing, gotta be about 100 miles an hour. I had a V12. I would never do 100 miles an hour in that car. That thing is blowing some smoke when he gets on the accelerator, but good for him. I'm glad he's out there driving that Jag. Back to the upgrade. As far as the manufacturer's warranty is concerned, this whole thing is covered. If you get installed by the dealer, it's covered by the manufacturer's warranty, just like your regular truck is. And so there's no scare there. It is designed and tested by Ford to make sure that your vehicle maintains its original warranty. So that's pretty cool. So yes, I would say immediately go out and buy this part and install it on your vehicle, because this thing really does make this truck come alive. Probably didn't need any more horsepower at 417, but I'm never going to say no when you bump that thing up to almost to 470. Maybe we'll get some performance stuff down the road, but I just wanted to give you guys a feel and let you know, as these things are just coming out, what my experience has been on it. It does make the truck a lot more exciting. It's amazing what 50 horsepower and 105 torque can do for your excitement level when you're driving it. So let me know what you think in the comments. Are you considering it? Have you had any other upgrades? If you have, please make notes down in the comments below. And if you've had this upgrade, let me know what you think about it, because I think there's going to be some variation based on how the dealer does the tunes. So it'll be interesting to see what everyone else says. And I also believe that they're coming out with the same tune for the for the Raptor Ranger pickup truck. So I believe that's going to be out there also. Thanks for joining us at the Full Octane Garage. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Also, if you're looking for collector car insurance, don't forget to check out Full Octane Insurance and check out our other media and posts that we do on Driving with Melissa on Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you soon at the Full Octane Garage.